Hello and good day to everyone. Today we're going to be teaching you how to add indicators in TradingView. Quickly, MEXC, our sponsors for today's video, found $125 worth of things to spend on their website. Go check them out, link is down below. Second, our affiliates, FTMO. You want to trade with other people's money? You want to keep the money for yourself? Up to 90% of the profits from the trades done through FTMO will be left to you, but as long as you can prove to them that you actually can trade and know what you're doing. Okay, so indicators. Indicators will help you with your trades by giving you quite the different information. And usually they will pop up either on the left, on the bottom, in the middle of the chart, everywhere. Where to add them? Well, it's quite simple. Click on the indicators and you have to search for them. Or you can just click the tabs here, depending on what you're exactly looking for. But let's say RSI, one of the most commonly used indicators, the relative strength index. Boom, you click it, and there it is. Now, I'm not going to be covering how to read these indicators, that will be in another video. This is just showing you how to add them. We will cover different indicators in the future. You want to add another one? Well, let's give it the moving average exponential. Boom. There you see. One is on here, other is here. What else can we add? Okay, let's add volume. Boom. Third indicator. And that's pretty much it. Simple things, but all of them will help you quite a lot. Anyways, remember, we don't give financial advice here. We just give you tutorials how to prepare yourself for your financial endeavors. Anyway, hope this helped. Have a nice day. See you next time.